Hey everyone, it's Vyug here. Are you excited about our epic Vyug Airdrop? We're giving away tons of Vyug tokens and you don't want to miss out. This video will show you how to claim your tokens and enter the USDT jackpot. Let's get started. First, visit our website at vyug.io. On the site, find the airdrop icon in the upper right corner. Click the icon to see the airdrop details and sign up. Check your email for a verification code. Text on screen reads airdrop details. Mockup shows airdrop details and Get Vyug Wallet button. Download the Vyug Wallet app. The Get Vyug Wallet button will take you directly to the Play Store. Download the Vyug Wallet app from there. It's your key to claiming your airdrop. Open the Vyug Wallet app and sign up if you haven't done it yet. Enter your details and verify your email again. Once verified, click the airdrop section in the upper left corner.
Complete the steps to claim more tokens. In the Vyug Airdrop section, you'll find 2 unlocked coupons ready to claim. Click on the 3rd coupon to join our official Telegram community. Once joined, return to Vyug Wallet and enter your Telegram username for verification. Next, click on the 4th coupon to follow Vyug on Instagram. After following, head back to Vyug Wallet and input your Instagram username. Complete these steps and enter your username to claim more tokens. By finishing all these steps, you'll automatically be entered into the USDT jackpot. To participate, click the Post button. You'll be redirected to X, where you'll find pre-written content to share. Enters you in the USDT jackpot. The winner will be announced after the airdrop ends. That's it. Claim your Vyug Airdrop and win big in the USDT jackpot. Head over to vyug.io today.